Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today, we're reviewing the Fitbit Versa for Fitness Smartwatch, a stylish and feature-packed wearable that helps you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. With GPS, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, over 40 exercise modes, and advanced sleep tracking, it's 753 promises to be the perfect fitness companion. But is it worth buying? Let's find out. Check out the link in the description for the best price. The Fitbit Versa 4 is designed for those who want a lightweight, comfortable, and stylish smartwatch that doesn't compromise on features. The pink sand, copper rose color gives it a premium look, and with both S and L bands included, it fits perfectly on any wrist. One of the standout features is the daily Readiness Score, which helps you decide whether to push your limits or take a rest day based on your activity, sleep, and heart rate variability. The built-in GPS means you can track your runs and workouts accurately without needing your phone. The 24/7 heart rate monitoring and 40+ exercise modes allow you to track your fitness progress in real time, whether you're running, cycling, lifting weights, or even doing yoga. Plus, the Active Zone Minutes feature helps you stay in the right heart rate zone for maximum results. When it comes to sleep tracking, the Versa 4 provides detailed insights into your sleep stages, patterns, and quality. You'll get a personalized sleep score every morning to help you improve your rest. It also offers smart notifications, Alexa built-in, and 6+ days of battery life, making it a great everyday smartwatch. Before we continue, check out the link in the description for the best price. So, should you buy the Fitbit Versa 4? If you're looking for a feature-rich, stylish, and easy-to-use smartwatch that helps you stay active and healthy, this is a fantastic option. However, if you need advanced smartwatch features like third-party apps or a premium display, you might want to consider alternatives like the Fitbit Sense or Apple Watch. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews here on Lyra Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.